Looking for a more advanced way to search data in Excel? In this video, I will teach you how to use index and match functions together to create powerful and precise lookups in your spreadsheets. If you want to take your Excel skills to the next level, this video is for you. Here we have our table that contains the ID, the name, the age, and the department. And I repeat here the ID, but you will understand later why I do that. And we want to bring the information of name, age, and department to this table. But before we understand how to use match and index together, we need to understand them alone. So let's start using index. What index do? I want to bring the name to here. Okay, so let's use Maria. Okay, so let's call the function index. What index needs? First of all, an array. So let's choose the array. The array is the name column. Okay, now it calls for a row number. So it's the row that the name that we want is. So Maria is in row number 2. So we need to select the row 2. The column number is not obligatory. It's an optional argument. So we don't need to use it right now because we are just calling one column as our array. So we don't need to choose what column we want. It's optional. Okay. So let's close it. Here it is. It's Maria. If I want to bring Barbara, I just have to go here and change 2 for 9. So what index is? It's basically a map of our table. It will return for us the value based on the location that this value is in our table or in our column. We can choose a complete array if we want. Here, index. Here, I'm gonna select all the table. I want Maria again, but now we need to specify what column number we want to bring the information. And we have here column 1, column 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we want to bring the name Maria. So column 2. And close parentheses. Here it is. So index works with a single column or an entire table. Okay. Now let's use match to see what it does. I want to know the location of board inside our table. So let's use match. What it brings? A lookup value. So what value are we looking for? Board. A lookup array. Where are we looking for this value? The department. And a match type. Less than, greater than, or exact match. We want exact match because it's a specific value that we want. So 0 and 0. So here it is. Board, it's the row 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's our 10th row in our column. Okay, so index brings the information and match tells to us where this information is inside our table. So we can use both combined to do exactly what VLOOKUP do, but without the need of the index column be in the first column of the table. Now let's use them together so you can see what I mean. Now I want to bring the name, so let's start with index. Index. What array? I want my name. My row number. Now I'm gonna use match. Match. I want to look up my ID. And what is my array? Different from VLOOKUP, we don't need to use the ID in the first row, the index column. That's why I duplicated the ID here at the end so you can see that. So I'm gonna choose this column here. And I want a match type 0. And close these two parentheses. And there it is. We just need to hit F4 to freeze, to freeze the columns. And then just bring it down. Double click it. Here it is. This is match with index. But if we want to bring the information to the next column, drag the formula to the next column, what we need to do? If we are using just a column, we will need to change the column here and give an enter. It will work. But it's not the best approach. We can do this inside our formula. So let's do this. I'm gonna delete it. And now I'm gonna do it again using the entire table. So now it's an index. What is our array? Our entire table. What is our row number? It's our match. Just me freeze this before. Okay, now it's our match. What value? Our ID. Just freeze the column. Just freeze the column. The row need to change. Now look up array. It's our ID, and our match is 0. Here it is. Oops. Let me see what I did wrong. A2, A2, G, A2. Well, it's correct. Why not working? Oh, yes. Why is not working? Sorry. Because now we are using an entire table. So we need to choose the column. That's why not working. We need to choose the column. It's array, a row number. And now, since we are using an entire array, our entire table, I need to say to the formula what column I want to bring the information. Name is the column 2. So 2. Now it's working. And voila. But if I go here, I have to still change part of the formula here to make it work to the other columns. I need to change manually, and I don't want that. I want fully automated. So what can we do? Use another match to search the column name. So let's do that. Equal index, our array. Now our row number here, freeze. Our row number, it's our first match. We want to look up this value here, just freeze the column, the cell must be free. Look up array, our ID, freeze it. Match type 0. And now our column number, will be another match. Match. Here, match. What value do we are looking for? Our name. Now we need to freeze the row, not the column. What is our array? Is the name of the columns. And our match type, also 0. Close this and close this. And now, if I drag it, it will work. If I drag it, it will work. Now we have a formula that is fully automated with a best performance than VLOOKUP, more dynamic. So this is the power of match with index. I hope this will be useful to you and that you have liked the video. So guys, what's your thoughts on our video today? Let me know all in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I see you guys on our next video.